What's good, people? It's your boy Trill, Hyyer Co. Not apart, together. Today, I'm going to show balance. Working on balance poses. Just strictly balance right now. It's going to be quick, but it's just going to be giving the basics. 3 things that I usually think of or remember when I do my balancing is the rooting of my feet, 1. Well, actually, focus. And then the rooting of my feet. So that comes from crown to the feet. So focus in the mind, rooting of the feet, whatever the pose is, and I'll get into those. Breath. Focus, rooting, breath, balance. I'm gonna write those down because I almost forgot. I'm gonna write them down for y'all. So we're gonna start off with tree pose. One of my favorites. When I say rooting of the feet, actually first we're gonna get focused. Mountain pose, arms to the side, fingers wide. Clear the mind. When I say rooting of the feet, you can lift the toes and literally put them back down onto the mat as if your toes are going to root through the ground or the mat or the floor, wherever you are. Spine is tall. Your legs aren't buckled at the knees, but your legs are steady and firm. Shoulders back and down, spine tall. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center, shoulders back and down. And we're going to balance with the right foot on the ground first. So we're going to prop the left foot up, bringing the left heel to the inside of the right leg. This is true for anybody that doesn't have great balance or working their way to getting their balance where they need it to be. Remember, we're starting with focus. Our root foot is rooted into the ground. Remember to breathe and balance. Inhale. Exhale, bring the left heel up to the right knee. It doesn't have to be up here as you see people do often, which is okay for them to do, but I just want to make sure we do things properly. Remember to breathe. And as you focus, inhale. Exhale, reach the arms up, spread the fingers wide. I always tell my class or my clients to find a spot in the mirror or the wall where there is a mirror or wall in front of them. Whether it's if it's a mirror, where it's their shirt or their pants, something that they can see, keep their focus there. And as your focus is there and as your breath is still flowing, inhale. Exhale, hands to heart center, bring the left foot down. If you need to, you can look down, make sure the feet are together, ankles and toes together. Inhale, prop the right foot onto the inside of the left leg. Big inhale. Exhale, bring the right heel to the left knee. You're gonna open the hip out as much as possible for the tree pose. Your focus is clear. Foot is rooted into the ground properly. You're balanced because we aren't wobbling because of our focus. Inhale. Exhale, branch the arms up. Inhale. Exhale, hands together, foot down, feet rooted into the ground. Boom. Now, for a little more of a challenge, we're going to do dancer pose. So I'm going to turn this way. Feet still planted into the ground. Going to bend the left leg behind you. Foot is planted. We're focused. We know what we're doing. You're gonna reach with the left hand. And some people use straps, which is fine. You're gonna reach for the left ankle or the left foot. Right hand's to the sternum. Inhale. Exhale, reach forward, leaning the torso forward. Right hand out in front, stretching the left leg behind. Now for your balance and evenness, you want to make sure, even if you aren't able to go down as much as I, that your balance is even. Even if you're here, you want to make sure your spine is straight, shoulders and hips square. And forward, inhale. Exhale, bring the hands back to heart center. Bring the left foot down. Turn this one on this side. Inhale. Exhale. Bring the right knee behind. Reaching for the right ankle or the right foot. Shoulders and hips square. Inhale. Exhale, lean the torso forward. Extend the left arm out. Keeping the spine flat. Shoulders and hips square. Deep breaths. It's important to breathe, because if you stop breathing, that's when you'll start wobbling and you'll lose focus, and then you'll lose balance, and you could possibly just fall out of the pose, or you could hurt yourself. Inhale. Exhale, slowly come back up, hands to heart center. Now I'll do one more. Big toe posture. Definitely going to be doing more balanced poses. Hands to heart center. Now this one is a little difficult. Everybody's not able to stretch as well. Some people use a balance beam on the side or the wall if they're in class. Some people use straps to help get their hand, because a lot of people's hamstrings are tight. But right now, just going to do it like so. I usually do mine from tree, so I'm going to prop here. Extend my left leg out, still breathing, rooted and focused. Reaching for the left big toe, extend the right arm out. Breath is good, shoulders and hips square, hips are pointed out. Inhale. Exhale, come down. Hands to heart center. This side. Pop it. Tree. Inhale. Exhale, kick the right leg out. Reach for the right toe. Extend the left arm out. Standing up tall. Deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale down. My left leg been tripping lately, but we getting right. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center, shoulders back and down. Cool. So, those balance poses, pretty simple. I'll have straps soon. I haven't had straps or blocks in a while because I've never practiced. Well, I've practiced with blocks, but I don't use them for my personal practice. I know how to teach with them. I just don't have them for myself. But I'll have them soon because I know people need them. But for balance, like I said, focus. Starts up here. Rooted to the feet. Breath. Inhale. Exhale. Make sure the flow of your breath and your pranayama is very flowing and not staccatoed, and it doesn't stop. Because when you stop and staccato, that's when you start to lose the last one, balance. Trill. First balance video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace, not apart, together. Love.